Yeah, good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss about the sequence, right? So now here a function f from n to r, right, is said to be sequence, right, and it is denoted by Sn, right? So now here the function is defined natural number set and image goes to what? Real number set. So then the function is called what? Sequence. Suppose I am taking here, this is a domain. In domain always is what? Natural number set. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next one, this is the real number, right? Now 1 goes to some S1 first term, S2, S3, S4 and so on, right? So this is the domain is what? Natural number set and codomain is what? Real number set. Now this relation is called function. So then you can say that this relation is called what? Sequence, right? So therefore now here S1, S2, S3, S4 are called what? The terms of the sequence, and it is denoted by Sn from n is equal to 1 to infinite, right? Suppose I am taking here Sn is equal to n, right? So now this Sn is always defined on natural number set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is the natural number set, this is the real number, whatever. Now put here s is equal to what? N is equal to what? 1 here. Now n is equal to 1, substitute here. 1 goes to where? 1. 2 goes to where? 2. 3 goes to where? 3. 4 goes to where? 4 and so on. So therefore Sn is equal to n is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinite. So therefore now put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So this is called what? One of the sequence. Now here the 1 is called what? First term of the sequence. 2 is called what? Second term of the sequence. 3 is called what? Third term of the sequence. Similarly I am taking here another example. Sn is equal to 1 by n, right? So this relation must define on where? Natural number set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, right? There are some numbers are there. 1 goes to where? Put here 1 is equal to 1. What we get here? 1. N is equal to 2, you will get 1 by 2. N is equal to 3, you will get 1 by 3. N is equal to 4, you will get 1 by 4. Now you tell me guys, so it is a relation. It is a relation is called a function, right? So when you can say that a relation is a function, so every element of domain is associated with a unique element of codomain. So that means here every element of n, right, there exists an image or not. So therefore this relation is called the function, and this function is defined on natural number set. Therefore this is called what? Sequence, right? So now here Sn is equal to what? Here 1 by n is equal to what? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on, right? So this is called what? Sequence. Now limit of the sequence. So limit of the sequence is what? If n tends to infinite, Sn is equal to L, right? Then you can say that this L is called what? Limit of the sequence. For example, I am taking here limit n tends to infinite. 1 by n is equal to what? 1 by infinite is equal to what? 0, right? So limit n tends to infinite, 1 by n is equal to what? 1 by infinite is equal to 0. Limit n tends to infinite, n is equal to what? Limit n tends to infinite, put here n is equal to infinite. So infinite you get. So therefore infinite, the sequence, the limit of the sequence Sn is equal to n is what? Infinite. So therefore, so these are the definition of the limit, right? If L is finite, then the sequence is convergent. If L is not finite, then the sequence is divergent, right? Thank you.